Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Microsoft Edge, then just to let you know that the browser has received an update, which rolled out late yesterday in my part of the world. So to double check we have this latest point release, we head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. Latest version and build is 151.0.4129.93, and that's been bumped up from 0.86. Now, this is a non-security bug and performance fix update. And once again, all Microsoft tells us is they fixed various bugs and performance issues. Now, the details are given, and these bug and performance issue fixes are common, as you may well know if you've viewed the channel for some time. So if you have experienced any issues in the browser, just double check you get this point release sooner than later. And if you have been using Edge over the last couple of hours, I'm sure the browser would have updated automatically in the background. But it's important to check. It only takes a couple of seconds and is a nice safety net at the end of the day, just to double check that all the updates have been applied to your browser. And talking of updates, if we head to the calendar, next week is a big week for browser updates and for Microsoft Edge, starting the week of the 27th. That's next week, Thursday. We are expecting Edge version 152 to start running out to the general public. And that will be late next week on Thursday. So if you are using the browser, that may be something to look out for. And obviously, I'll post when that version upgrade rolls out to the general public. And in regards to this point release, I have had a quick look around the browser. I'm not noticing anything else that this update has included. Just the bugs that have been squashed and performance issues that have been fixed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.